Welcome to Parks Pursuit. Today I'm hiking in the Parkville Nature Sanctuary. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to my channel. The Parkville Nature Sanctuary is located within the city of Parkville and features 3 miles of hiking trails, including part of the old Katy Trail, and even has a waterfall. Now I'm hiking on the Whitetail Loop, which will eventually loop back around and reconnect me to the old Katy Trail. But this is a longer side loop to extend the hike out. You can also bypass it and stay on the old Katy Trail if you're looking for a shorter hike. If you enjoyed my video of my hike at the Parkville Nature Sanctuary, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel, Parks Pursuit. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets